This is my pizza oven, Ooni Koda 16, and I love it. It works with the gas, and I've had it now about 2 years. But I have one big problem. That's not a problem, that's perfect. My problem is there. This table, that's fucking heavy. I don't want to leave this outside all the time, so every time I'm baking pizza, I will take this thing outside. This is just too heavy to move. I want to build a new table, much smaller, much more light, easier to move. To build this table, I'm just going to use basic materials. OSB, what I have here. This frame, it should be quite sturdy. I'm going to use just a normal wood. I think this is 24 by 48 millimeters. All the pieces for the frame, 6 times 55 centimeters, 6 times 45 centimeters, and these are the corner pieces, 4 times 75. Next I will just clean all these pieces with the router bit. Going to be tight. The gas bottle is 50 centimeters high. With the OSB it's coming about here, and if I want to be sure I have to calculate a little bit, so the second layer is coming about here. Again, one totally unnecessary thing, but why not? Okay, that's how it looks so far. At least this top plate and this bottom one I will screw to this frame. The height of this table is now 77 centimeters, and when I will add these wheels 5-6 centimeters more, it's going to be the same than my last one was, and it was good. Next I have to think about these, something that this won't fall down or slide down for some reason, some kind of stoppers. Okay, now it's time again for my favorite, favorite teak oil finish. I'm just afraid I don't have enough this stuff. Maybe for one layer. Okay, first layer is done. Next I will let it dry a little bit. After that I will just wipe it with the clean towel, and then it's time for the second layer. I ran out of this teak oil and I was in a different shop. I couldn't find the same oil, so I bought this one. That's a different brand and that's more dark. I think I will like this. Maybe this is going to be my new favorite oil, but next I will paint these boards. For that I have black paint. The reason why I will paint these is that OSB, no matter how much you sand it, you really can't make it very smooth. I will see, I think this is quite thick paint. I used actually the same brand to paint this house's window frames. And this paint it's quite good. Also the reason why I like to use this kind of paint and brush is that this doesn't smell. It would be maybe faster to paint with spray. I can't really do it here inside. This paint would be everywhere. I think in this case this end result will be better. With this black paint I'm going to use gloves. I'm certain this black paint is not so easy to wash from the hands. And of course, because I'm stupid, I'm using my good jacket, at least it's black. And I'm using also my favorite shorts. I'm trying to be careful. I think it's going to look pretty good. Maybe I need more than one layer. But now the second layer. And this time I'm just basically massaging this paint. So I will get every wood which is not painted yet. It's been now drying overnight, and I think the best finish for the OSB is paint. That's my opinion. That looks amazing. I'm going to use these wheels from my old table. These are pretty good, big enough, easy to move also outside. And with the brakes, that's a good feature to have in this table. Next I will make here a small piece just to make a little bit support it won't bend so much in this direction, so I will make a small OSB piece here. I made here just a basic box for small stuff like spices. I will just screw it about here. This one I'm going to use from my old table. That's for the gas bottle, that it's not moving around. That's a good thing. I made a second box because why not? For the beer bottles and stuff like that. I don't drink beer that much, but my friends do. I also made this one look a little bit closer to this one. I used the same oil. This oil basically is not so much food safe oil, but it doesn't matter that much here.